guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Ricky and
Hey
guys, welcome to this channel. In this channel, this is a lot of channel. Again.
Hey guys, as Ricky said, welcome to our channel.
Welcome.
In which you will be able to learn how to program with Python.
In this channel, you will learn how to program and we will show you how to be a data scientist.
From the basics to the intermediate.
Okay, and then once again.
Hey, please follow our Instagram account.
Hey guys, welcome to this channel. We'll learn how to program and to be step-by-step a data scientist.
With Pandas for cleaning, organizing, and preparing your data for models. And afterwards we will link the main machine learning models.
And welcome to this channel.
Just join the trip.
Maybe you're really concentrated in the
And please be tuned with us. Please subscribe to the channel, activate the bell.
Yeah guys, let me just give you a short explanation. We have a FreeDataScientist.com webpage in which you are entering, you register yourself, and you can check our YouTube videos and you can actually program online without problems. You can make also donations if you want, and you can check all our YouTube videos that we have been uploading weekly, by the way. And additionally, if you want to see, for example, what kind of posts that we have in Instagram, you can check it as well. In the data science section, you will find all the lectures that we have been creating for you, from Python basics, intermediate, Python, Matplotlib, and we will add also our machine learning modules. In the about you, if you want to know what we are, who we are, if you want to buy some of our nice products as well, and of course, donations. They're super important that we can keep working for you.
Hey guys, welcome to this channel. You will learn with us how to program and learn step by step to, the real data scientist.
Okay.
No.